Hello, this is my first tutor of making your first game using Game Maker 7. To start, click on the Game Maker icon and the Game Maker page opens. In this, on the left, you can see the whole resource you are adding. Firstly, to add the spirits, go to Resource, Create Spirits, and load the spirits. Select the desired spirit you need. Here I am adding spirit, clown, and a wall. And the same way add the sounds too. Here I am adding the sound bounce and the sound click. You can get all these resources from my website gamerbazaar.googlepage.com, and here I am adding the bounce, the sound, and the click sound, which we'll be using in the game. I'm adding the background too of the same way. You can see it. All these things are the datas for the game. The background is a data. Why I'm saying this as a data? Because you're going to work with objects. I hope you all know about object oriented program. Yeah, an object oriented program. What is an object? Define an object. An object is a collection of data and data members. Here all the data are the spirits, sounds, and backgrounds. So to create a data member, just need to create an object. Here I am creating two objects which are being needed for the game. One is the wall and other is the clown. Firstly, I'll show how to create a object wall. Object wall. I'm selecting the spirit and clicking to solid. Since it is not going to move, I'm checking the solid. Next object is the clown, which is I need to do a lot of work over here. See carefully. Selecting the spirit. Then there are two things. One is event and another is an action. For the respected event, I add the action. Here I create my first event, for which first I add the move fixed action and set the spirit to 4, since the clown is going to move in all the direction randomly of the speed 4. So I do it according to that. Next, I set the alarm till how many steps it's going to move. If the clown is not going to be caught in 50 steps, so I set it to 50, the game is going to end. Next, I set the alarm, that is what happens after 50 seconds, that is 50 steps. The same way, the action is it is going to move in all direction, but the speed is going to be 0, which means the game is going to stop, end, over. It's going to hang, like the spirit is not going to move, and the time is 50. That is in 50 steps, not time, not seconds. It's 50 steps. Okay, if you're not going to catch the clown in 50 steps, remember the start moving direction must be relative in this alarm. Next action is when the clown bounces against the wall, what is going to happen. For that, I go to bounce and the wall. Okay, object wall. Next, the action bounce against solid objects. So I select the bounce, drag it in, and give the position as solid objects. Okay, since the wall is in a solid object, so you can select that option. Next, when the clown hits against the wall, a sound must be heard. That's the bounce sound. For that I add the sound spirit, that's the sound action. Next, another event is when the clown is being catched. For this, left pressed, go to select event, and when the clown is being catched, a new score, that is some score will be added to your game. I have selected 10, and the click sound is being added as I added the bounce. And the jump of the position, that is the new location where it is being jumped. I am leaving it as it is because it can jump to any location. Then from the new location it can randomly move in other directions, any other directions. And set the speed to 0.5, that is increments it to 0.5, that is 4, 4.5, 5. It just increments like this. Starting speed is 4. Okay, all is over. All needed is to create a room. You can create over here itself or clicking this, or go to resource and create room. Here set the background to the background you have been set, and remember you have to set the snap x and y axis to 32 32, since your spirit is also of size 32 32. See, it sets in, or it's of the app size. Now I'm adding the walls. It's simple, it's visualized, it's easy, so no need to worry about what happens, how to create a game. It's a simple flash game of simple visualized way. After finishing, just click the tick of your left top corner. If you need to continue the project, save as a paper, or need to play and send it to your friends, excite your friends, change it to an executive file, save it and play. Now I'm going to search for the file as being saved. Okay, all done. Okay, this is the game you are being looking for. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned a lot.